In the mystical depths of the ocean lives a creature that defies time itself, known as the immortal jellyfish or Turritopsis dohrnii. With the extraordinary ability to revert its cells to an earlier life stage, this jellyfish essentially cheats death, transforming itself back into a polyp whenever it's injured or under stress. Originating from the Mediterranean but now populating oceans worldwide, its tiny, transparent bell makes it almost invisible to predators. This unique life cycle not only makes it biologically fascinating, but also an intriguing subject for scientists studying regeneration and aging. Imagine a creature that holds the secret to longevity in its tiny, translucent body. Tales of its remarkable journey continue to baffle and inspire.